आइए हमारी दुकान में आइए जल्दी करो बाहर।
Shah Rukh Khan number one in the world. Trust me, all Egyptian men like Shah Rukh Khan.
Everyone likes Shah Rukh Khan here.
Yes, because the famous man.
कि वो आते हैं आपके पास मिसगाइड भी करेंगे आपको उल्टा सीधा बोलेंगे
So when you say that pyramid is like the history, this is the politics of Egypt. Carriages इनके साथ जाना is very difficult. Okay, it's not easy. He's the one who turned Egypt into a military superpower. Before that, military was quite weak. मुझे अरबी नहीं आती, सिर्फ लाशुक्रन आते हैं और मुझसे अरबिक में शुरू हो जाते हैं बात करने के लिए.
I love Shah Rukh Khan and his film with food.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are actually traveling to Egypt. This is the first time me and Yamin are actually going on holidays and I'm super excited. New friend. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? Yahya. Yahya lives in Cairo. Your experience sitting at the Cairo airport?
As expected.
Our immigration got done literally in like 5 minutes. Nobody checked our visa. We got down of the bus. 5 minutes, the immigration got done. And then since 20 minutes, we are waiting for the luggage to come. The bell literally just started while I'm talking. एकदम इंडिया की तरह लग रहा है. लोग लड़ रहे एयरपोर्ट पे because उनकी फ्लाइट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया. We already saw a fight and waiting for the luggage.
6.5 hours later.
Good morning, guys. Guess where am I? To start our 2026, we decided to come to Egypt, and this country has been in my wish list for a very long time. I was obsessed with pyramids ever since I saw that Suraj Hua Hai Madam and Lucky Ali's song, and I thought like, okay, if you're planning a trip, why not Egypt? And if there is any nationality that I know the most except Indians is Egyptian. So I thought what better way to know them more by seeing their country. We landed last night. We left after work. तो इसीलिए मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा एनर्जी नहीं थी कि मैं व्लॉग वॉक करूँ. बट आज पहला दिन है. My friend, my co-worker was kind enough. उसका भाई यहाँ पे, he's from Egypt and वो रात को 3 बजे हमें पिक करने के लिए आया था एयरपोर्ट. I felt guilty. मैंने बहुत बारी मना किया, but then he did not listen to me. I have my full itinerary of this trip. I will leave it in the description box down below for you guys. Also UAE residential, I don't know if it's for all Indians. हमें वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल है, बट मेरा UAE रेसिडेंट का जो वैलिडिटी था ना वीज़ा का, वो 6 महीने से कम था. सो वी डिसाइडेड कि नहीं, हम लोग रिस्क नहीं लेते क्योंकि ऐसे टाइम पे रिस्क लेना इज़ नॉट अ ग्रेट थिंग. तो हमने प्री वीज़ा ले लिया, बट किसी ने देखा ही नहीं है. द हिस्ट्री हियर इज़ इमैक्युलेंट. इतनी पुरानी हिस्ट्री है दैट इफ़ यू गेट टू रीलिव इट इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. एवर सिंस द ग्रैंड इजिप्शियन म्यूजियम का ओपनिंग हुआ है ना, द इजिप्ट का टूरिज्म इज़ गॉन अप. वीज़ा मिलना ईजी है, टिकट्स आर नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव एज वेल. Cute mirror. This is my outfit. I love it. Everything is from Shein, honestly. Absolutely love it. We still have a Christmas decoration on, by the way. So, one friend of ours actually gave us a taxi driver's number. So, he's going to be with us all day. This is our taxi. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Mohammed?
Hi.
He's my husband, Yamin.
Yamin?
Yamin.
You need jacket, huh?
We need jacket?
Ah.
Very cool.
This is old museum.
Egyptian old museum. This is the old museum here, right here.
The new one is different.
Different, very big.
Oh, wow.
Mashallah. The vibe here is immaculate. This is the oldest cafe. Kida? Oriental breakfast 1.
Okay.
Okay. Omelette well done.
Very well done. Yeah?
Very well done.
Okay.
Okay. Hot drink Americano.
Tea or Turkish coffee?
Only that.
Yes.
Give 1 tea and you add Americano extra.
Okay.
Okay. And croissant cheese 1. This cafe is like so old, aesthetic, rustic. But the best part is building यहाँ पे सारे. You see? Literally building के बीच में there's a cafe. This is one of the traditional breakfasts. This is falafel with eggs, some salad, fool. This is something new for me. Cheese with tomato and croissant with some bread. It is really good. Huh?
I have Yasmin with me, and she says she loves Bollywood.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite?
I love Shah Rukh Khan. His film is good.
Which film did you?
Sanam.
You saw?
Sanam. Yeah.
Did you see his new movie Jawan and Pathan?
Yeah. And Ishki. I like. Nice to meet you. Thank you. See you again. Bye.
Thank you so much.
A few inches later.
الماركت هاي دايما مور دايما but in صورة is now original diamond
lab grown diamond.
sorry
Lab grown diamond.
lab diamond صورة
Yeah, look.
First coin in Kuwait. First coin in Kuwait. First coin. First coin. Brent in Kuwait. First coin.
Kuwait's first coin.
Yeah.
How much?
$100.
$100.
First. In Kuwait equal 30 dinar. 30 dinar equal 1 minute. Good high reach.
Yeah.
This is a unique market in Cairo and a must visit if you want to feel the local side of Egypt.
Kuwait's first coin.
Yeah.
How much?
$100.
$100.
First.
This market happens only on Saturdays. You'll see old coins, vintage items, things that have been around for decades. Some pieces are rare, some are just interesting. You need to be careful because scams do exist, and a lot. But that's a part of the experience, right? It's crowded, a little chaotic, not polished, and that's exactly what makes it special. This was totally worth the experience. Our next stop is Cairopolitan, which is like a homegrown brand for souvenirs. And I really wanted to check it out. I saw it all over my TikTok and basically Citadel was made to keep an eye of the entire Cairo city. So when you say that pyramid is like the history, this is the politics of Egypt. Once this was built, there was more protection to the Cairo city, and then people were able to keep a watch. There was army, there were mosque, there's so many things here.
Excuse me.
Shukran, la shukran. This is the old Cairo. MashaAllah. You can also see, this is like a panoramic view. You can also see the Cairo Tower. This is the Cairo Tower right there.
We decided to take this car for 500 Egyptian pounds so that he will show everything because वरना हम पूरा यहाँ पे ऑनेस्टली सच बोलो तो हम सुबह से निकले, इतने सारे लोकेशन गए, हमको अभी तक किसी ने परेशान नहीं किया। हम लोकल के साथ थे, अभी बिना लोकल के टूरिस्ट प्लेस पे है, कोई
बहस करेंगे तो बहस।
हाँ, बहस नहीं करना कि अगर कुछ पसंद नहीं आता तो निकल लो, पर बहस करने बैठ गए तो खत्म है फिर। कि कोई भी बैंक होता है या फिर कोई भी ऐसे मिलिट्री बिल्डिंग, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ पे फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोगों ने मना कर दिया था, सो जस्ट बी केयरफुल, बट नोबडी वाज लाइक क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, झगड़ा करने लगे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। सो दैट जस्ट वन थिंग दैट यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ। यहाँ पे ना शादी है, सो देयर इज अ ब्राइड, ओ माय गॉड, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, they're having a shoot. It's so pretty, so pretty. They are literally having a wedding shoot. It's so cute, mashallah. There is another bride also there, by the way. Literally एक और bride है. She's getting on the car. I love sitting in these cars, by the way. Do you like it? Yeah. हमारे ऑफिस में भी है.
ماليزيا متري ماليزيا متري هم محمد علي
Okay.
محمد علي هم صلادين
Salahuddin, yeah.
Military.
yes
Military.
can you
Shukran.
call me number
Yeah,
here
call me, I'll call you.
Okay.
Thank you,
thank
brother.
have a nice day
So when they built the citadel, so they had like a lot of military mosques. So this is the military where it was, so that they could protect the entire Cairo city. This is like the Apis coastal gun, 26 centimeter. God knows what that is. This is from 1835. So Ibrahim Pasha, he was actually one of the greatest rulers of Egypt. He's the one who turned Egypt into a military superpower. Before that, military was quite weak. But he's the one who actually started the military. This is from the First World War. This guy is the third president of Egypt, and this entire statue is made up of bronze. सारे king हैं यहाँ के, जो भी थे। ये लोग यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं the translation. The translation is also in Hindi. So many languages, which I really appreciate. So that means they are working on tourism actually. Hindi. This is the museum where everything is there. But the architecture you can't beat, yeah. Like, oh my god. It's so pretty. So pretty. इतने सारे आर्टिफैक्ट्स हैं इनके पास, आई डोंट नो हाउ अब तक इन्होंने बचा के रखे हैं. Also, which is not like a technologically advanced country, but still they have so much of stuff, like so much of artifacts, and they have saved every little thing of it. By the way, ये सारी चीज़ें नया नहीं बनाया है, ये सब पेंटिंग के साथ सब कुछ पुराना है.
ओरिजिनल हैंड रिटन
क्या
समथिंग ये जो फट चुका है
मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट जैसा. बट इवन द पेंटिंग ऑन द वॉल, ये सारी चीज़ें नई नहीं है, सारी कुछ पुरानी है. You will go crazy. It's so much to see. It's called Dinar manuscript. So after the pharaohs, when Islam came into the picture, this is one of the outfits. It's from the Islamic era of Egypt, where all the people started converting to Islam. They accepted Islam, and Islam was spreading at the speed of wildfire. But it's like a maze. हमको second floor में भेजा so that we could get exit. 5 मिनट ब्रेक लिए. We've been walking and walking and walking. मेरे फिर भी सिर्फ 6000 steps हुए.
12 seconds later.
So we were supposed to go to the cave church, but cave church is not a good place to go right now, honestly. एक तो बंद भी हो गया होगा. उसके अलावा it's like crossing the garbage city, so we didn't want to do that. Mohammed, this is same like Alexandria?
It's the same.
Same like Alexandria. This is Mumbai, but same Alexandria, no?
Exactly.
Same.
The same one.
Yeah.
I swear, the same one.
We are at Al Azhar Park, and exactly there we can see the citadel. So this is a park. I wanted to try this cafe, so we are walking towards it.
ये भी ट्रावेल आ जाए मोटो આપણે એકલા આટા થી
Of course.
જો બેટા है.
Later that same evening.
We are at Khan Al Khalili market now, and it's so chaotic. So many people. ऐसा लग रहा है मोहम्मद अली रोड पे आए हैं बॉम्बे के. What did you say?
आइए हमारी दुकान में आइए जल्दी करो बाहर
What I'm seeing is like silver is so famous here. This store is 50 years old. We got like silver from here with reasonable prices. We bought these fridge magnets. These boxes are very famous here in Egypt, everywhere.
100, 2000,
1700
okay.
2005.
Why is so much difference? Same
The
size?
quality of mother of pearl and the work, the shape. This is very hard to make. Like this is easy.
ये मार्केट अच्छा है but the thing is यहाँ पे हर जगह पे सेम चीज मिलेगी so after a while you get bored. हर जगह पे you will have these necklaces that they are sharing, some asbi, some clothes which is like a little Arabic style जो belly dancing में पहनते हैं.
Tomorrow.
Morning guys, today is day 2 at Cairo. Yesterday we slept very early, मतलब like 8:30, 9, 10 बजे तक तो हम लोग आ गए थे. By 10:15 I was dead because we traveled, we came, we walked so much, and today we had to wake up early, so we didn't go for like any nightlife sort of scene here in Egypt. But today morning I got ready. I'm just getting ready and making myself a cup of coffee. Before that there's washing machine here, right here, so kapde dhul rahe. There's also a fridge. Today the plan is to go to pyramids. Then I've booked for like a 9 pyramid lounge. जिसके लिए booking लगती है आपको by the way. So it's like a lounge, cafe sort of thing for brunch. We'll go there. It has a view of 9 pyramids. And then there is a booking at the Grand Egyptian Museum. So वहाँ पे 3-4 घंटे चले जाएंगे. Then we'll see how we feel. But we have to go to Zamalek as well, near the Nile River for a walk and everything. I don't think it's this huge. I thought like it's small. Here everyone likes Shah Rukh Khan, huh? Everyone likes Shah Rukh Khan here.
Yes, because the famous man.
Dude, look at this. Oh my god. That is the Sphinx. That's the pyramid. The big pyramid, small pyramid, and the smallest pyramid somewhere. There are a total of 9 pyramids. I can't believe I'm watching pyramids. I studied all my life. I mean, this is the moment. Dude, यहाँ पे भी वो Cairopolitan है. But there is no special trip needed for it. This is a Cairopolitan. Okay. जैसे ही आप गेट से आते हो तो this is the exact view you see, but also make sure that this is not the real gate. What people usually do is go on the left side, but we'll go on the right side because यहाँ से सब जा रहे हैं. We'll have to figure out. Honestly, we'll have to figure out because it's really chaotic. Oh my god, I can't. So I have a Chinese friend who went for this and उसने मुझे ये मैप दिया था कि अगर आप सेकंड गेट से एंटर करो तो कैसे जाना है ताकि आप बच जाओ. So this is exactly what we are doing right now. यहाँ पे this is something that's there, so same thing. And ले रहे थे तब क्या हुआ? वो चाचा वहाँ पे बैठे और कार्ड लेके बैठे तो कोई लंदन का कोई बंदा आता है.
चाचा बोलते हैं टिकट तो बोले हाँ तो ला मैं लेके देता हूँ. तो उसको लगा कि उसके बाद टिकट है, उसने पैसा दिया, वो भी लाइन में खड़ा रह गया
और 50 पाउंड एक्स्ट्रा दिए. ला शुक्रन.
थैंक यू.
मुझे अरबी नहीं आती, सिर्फ ला शुक्रन आते हैं. वो मुझसे अरबिक में शुरू हो जाते हैं बात करने के लिए.
ऐसा लगता है ना.
फिर क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, तो वो लाइन में खड़ा रहा और जैसे ही लाइन में खड़ा रहा वैसे सिस्टम डाउन हो गया. तो वो जो ब्रिटिशर था बोलने लगा उसको कि भाई पैसे किस बात के दिए मैंने तेरे को. तो बोले कि टिकट के. बोले तो टिकट का है. तो बोले वही तो खड़ा हूँ मैं. तो बोले वो तो मैं भी कर सकता था. अब एक बार रतन नोड़ा हिसाब पूरा हो गया, पैसे हो गए खत्म.
1-2 का 4 है सीधा.
हाँ का
Oh
डबल.
God, 1-2 का 4 हो गया बेचारे का. These are the buses for the free transportation inside the pyramid. This Sphinx was built for them to guide the to take care of the pyramids. I decided to go to the 9 pyramid lounge first.
ताकि ना वहाँ पे खा ले, बिकॉज ब्रेकफास्ट इज ऑल अवेलेबल टिल सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड ओनली. एंड देन so this green bus will take us to the main gate. From main gate we have to take the yellow bus to the Night Pyramid Lounge, and then we'll again start the tour because our booking for Grand Egyptian Museum is at 3 o'clock, so we still have time for that. I don't know बस के पहले ये लोग कैसे जाते हैं, बिकॉज इनके साथ जो ये सारे होते हैं कैरेजेस, इनके साथ जाना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, इट्स नॉट ईजी बिकॉज दे विल से समथिंग, फिर वहाँ जाके वो शायद देंगे, बट विच आई आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. ये हमारे ताजमहल में भी होता है. These kind of scams are like everywhere. It's not like a big deal. So, but you will find amazing people as well. So don't come with that mentality कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ scam होने वाला है.
तो कैसे बचना है वो तो अपने ऊपर.
हाँ, कैसे बचना ये आपके ऊपर. अगर आप वो फिर वो गोरे की तरह बेवकूफ हो के टिकट लाइन में खरीद के हो, किसी चाचा के पास ब्लैक में टिकट खरीद रहे हो 50 पाउंड एक्स्ट्रा देके, तो वो फिर आपके ऊपर है. दिस इज ऑन यू. So basically ये जो सारे stops हैं ना, they will be stopping there. There is Visit Center, Panorama, then King Menkaure, Kafre, Sphinx, Khufu, and then the end. So you basically have this entire route. This is the table, and here you see literally the 9 pyramids. That's why it's called as the 9 Pyramid Lounge.
And Shah Rukh Khan number 1 in the world. Trust me, all Egyptian men like Shah Rukh Khan.
Which movie did you see of Shah Rukh Khan?
We have visit at television. It's nice to meet you, and I like India. The India number 1. Trust me, all we can see the film at India. Sorry, my language is not professional, but I'm supportive. Thank you, guys.
We've been sitting here for like 2 घंटे हो गए, पूरे पैसे वसूल लिए. अब जाके we'll go again to the main gate, change from yellow bus to green bus, and then see the spots of pyramids. ये हमारा बिल था. We ordered like an Egyptian breakfast, Western breakfast, American coffee, 2 cover. What is cover? Whatever. I think the cover charges of sitting here. Total bill is 1600, and there is VAT of 14% and service tax of 12%. There is an ATM right there. बहुत सारे dogs है, हर जगह पे dogs है. This is the ATM. There are a lot of photo opportunities यार. गली गली में फोटो भी ले सकते हो आप, इतने सारे फोटो ले सकते हो. Look how they are flying. This is just for the promotion. Fly with us. If you want to fly over the pyramids, you can fly in these. मेरे पास तो हिम्मत नहीं है भाई इतनी. And this is the bus to go back to the main gate. ये पैनल के पास है ना बहुत सारे कैफ़ेज़ है. If you don't want to go to the 9 Pyramid Lounge, you can also go here. From here you can actually see 3 pyramids only clearly. ये हमने नोटिस किया है. जो भी ID कार्ड वाले जो है ना सारे, वो लोग के सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि वो आते हैं आपके पास, मिसगाइड भी करेंगे, आपको उल्टा सीधा बोलेंगे नहीं, एंड देन दे विल गो लाइक यहाँ से बस नहीं मिलता, बस अलाउड नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका ना टाई अप्स होता है ये सारे जो कैमल एंड ये हॉर्स राइड्स के साथ, तो फिर वो हमें उस हिसाब से गाइड करते हैं. कमीशन बेसिस पे वो काम करता है, इसीलिए. और फ़ोटो भी नहीं लेने देंगे. अगर आप फ़ोटो ले रहे हो ना जैसे पिरामिड का, तो पीछे आ जाके खड़े रह जाएंगे, फ़ोन पे बात करेंगे, वहाँ से हटते ही नहीं है. और है ना, मैंने ना 1 मिनट के लिए कैमरा निकाला था जब वो बात कर रहा था, कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था, तो उसने बात करना बंद कर दिया. You guys don't realize how massive this place is, and the stones that it is made up with. Oh my god, this is crazy. पता ही नहीं है भाई ये बनाया कैसे. They don't have history, they don't have anything written. Just look at this. It is literally as tall as me. So basically, that pyramid is the Great Pyramid, जो सबसे बड़ा है, और ये उनके बेटे का है. तो उनके बेटे को ना, मतलब
अपना खुद का भी ईगो सेटिस्फाई करना है एंड डैड का भी. So what he did is he made this pyramid on a platform. So if you see, it's elevated compared to that one. ये ना यहाँ नीचे से लेके यहाँ तक it's elevated compared to that one. So I'm really surprised कि यहाँ पे लैला विद मजनू या फिर प्रिया विद सुनीत एंड ऐसे ऐसे सब चीज़ें लिखी नहीं हुई है. They are still well preserved. So which is a great thing, by the way.
2 hours later.
We are at the Grand Egyptian Museum and उन्होंने मुझसे tripod ले लिया जो मेरे बैग में था and plus ये DJI के नीचे का जो stand था वो ले लिया, which is fair because a lot of people like me would keep the stand. Another thing is we bought the ticket online, but even if you don't, you can come here and buy the ticket. There's no problem at all. But भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is the ticket counter, so it'll be better if you can buy it online and come. हर एक चीज़ का रीज़न है हम दोनों चले म्यूजियम बिना टूर गाइड. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 70 feet. It's intact. Gosh, इतना ह्यूज है. बट यहाँ पे ना लोग इतने ज़्यादा गिरे थे कि मीम्स ही मीम्स वायरल हुए थे. People did not realize there is water and then they ended up falling. यहाँ पे कैफेटेरिया भी है if somebody wants to eat something, or it's quite busy and I think there are a lot of souvenir shops as well. And यहाँ से entrance है from the escalator and everywhere you see there is something. इस म्यूज़ियम को बनाने के लिए honestly there has been a lot of science and architecture and archaeologists involved because otherwise ये सारी चीज़ें humidity and direct sunlight से ख़राब हो जाएंगी. So they had to maintain it in such a way that there is natural light so that these artifacts are shown in their natural state but also preserved from everything. We are currently on the second floor and अब यहाँ से हम third floor पे जा रहे हैं to the pyramid view so that from there we can actually start from the top floor down. What is this place? It's so beautiful. The way it is made is mesmerizing, honestly. Look, that people were not always living towards Nile and they were living somewhere else, but the climate became really dry and that's why they started to move towards some water source and the water source was Nile for them. History के बारे में तो नहीं पता इतना, but the thing is for them to get these small artifacts is a big thing, by the way. ये इन्होंने कैसे ढूंढ के इतने सालों पुराना preserve किया होगा is something to think about. A mirror. So यहाँ पे जो ये क्वीन थी इनमें से कोई तो उसके लिए वो मिरर रखा गया था ताकि she can see herself after life. Wow, self obsession level pro max है ये. This is literally 5,000 years old. So basically जो किंग कुफू की मॉम थी ये उनकी चीज़ें हैं. I am not sure कि ये इस तरीके से आज भी कैसे survive कर रही है. Oh my god. That's the bed and I think this is the bed. This is how they slept. And that's a pillow. Head. Right. ये उस टाइम के bangles है. Look at the designs. It's so beautiful. And the box as well. The bangles are made up of silver. ये गरीबों की कब्र है. So whoever was like poor, they were buried in sand, wrapped in clothes or mats, and had pottery of these rectangle wooden coffin. Even back in the days, like rich and poor was playing an important role because her mummy is really mummified in a way that reflected her high status. If you start seeing, there is so much of intricate design in there, and like see the colors, the beads. I think even maybe it has some gold or whatever. Social class was still there back in the days. ये band बज गई है. मुश्किल से चल पा रहे अभी. This museum is so huge that you need at least 5 to 6 hours. If you want to see, read, understand, then you need so much time. This is the smallest coffin of the King Tut. So basically out of all the three, this is the first one, that is the second, and then the largest one that we saw outside. And ये जो सारे तीनों के तीनों coffin है ना वो इसके ऊपर रखे गए थे. So imagine the weight of the coffin and then it was kept on this. This is the line for the King Tut golden. Yeah, I am not the line. So many. Oh my god.
2 hours later.
We came at the most famous Abu Tariq to eat some koshari. It is like a 5-floor restaurant. He's the one who started Abu Tariq. It's not a bottle of water. It's a लोग बस आए जा रहे. They come, the service is quick because there's just hardly one item in the menu. And it's easy to eat food, like with the spoon you can immediately eat. There is absolutely nothing like bones and like biryani or whatever. So log bas aaye ja rahe. You can see every nationality and a lot of tourists coming in over here. We're actually on third floor. I don't know if I said it, but like हम 3 माले ऊपर चढ़कर आए हैं, and because it was full on all the other floors.
Tomorrow.
Morning guys. Today is like the last few hours at Cairo, and then we are flying to Luxor. It is so beautiful in the morning. It feels like I'm not in Egypt but like some European country, honestly. Honestly, जहाँ पे भी नजर जाए ये इस तरीके की बिल्डिंग्स है जो बहुत ही पुरानी है. Oh, there's a shawarma place which is open.
Morning?
वो रहा. Oh my god, वो देखो सुबह सुबह shawarma कौन खा रहा है? ये रहा.
Morning 8.
8 o'clock shawarma time. At Oldish Cafe because हमें कहीं और कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Everything was kind of closed or just only takeaways. So we decided to come. And I really like this place actually. It's nice.
11 minutes later.
This lane right here has a lot of small shops and it is called as a fashion hub. But right now everything is closed. So there is this homegrown brand. Then there is this pet store and a lot of others. We don't know what exactly it is. But I actually came for Upviews, which is closed. There's a cafe right here and people are literally chilling and drinking coffee. It's beautiful. ये मेरे पीछे एक abandoned villa type है, Greek या Roman time का, and it is super scary. Oh, it is called as Shahriya Al Nabarawi. जो भी है इतने ज़्यादा खतरनाक मूर्ति है वहाँ पे कि literally बैंड बज जाए.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to my channel.